Hi everyone, if you're interested in Russian language, then I would like to take a part especially for you an old Russian fairy tale called Kasha из Topora. Literally it means porridge from an axe, and it's quite a funny and silly fairy tale. I hope that you have at least A1 level of Russian, but if you are completely at zero, then I will also try to make the video interesting for you. First I will read a passage for you, then I will parse it for you, then I will give you a task. So I'm starting to read. Солдат возвращался с войны. Устал он, есть хочет. Пришел солдат в деревню и подошел к одному дому. Дверь открыла старуха. Попросил ее солдат: дай мне поесть, пожалуйста. So, солдат just means soldier. Возвращался is a past tense verb. It means he came back. We can say, for example, путешественник возвращался домой after something, or поезд возвращался на станцию after something. С войны means after the war, and in certain contexts, when we say from, it means from somewhere. For example, я пришел с работы. Я возвратился с войны. So it's like солдат возвращался с войны. Устал он, есть хочет. In Russian, is it very possible to rearrange words? After this rearrangement can give a little nuance to a sentence. This will be confusing for learners because it's too complicated for now, but I think that when it says устал он instead of он устал and есть хочет instead of хочет есть, it gives a little bit of tiredness or pity to the soldier in this sentence. Just know that you can change the words however you want. Пришел солдат в деревню и подошел к одному дому. Пришел солдат в деревню, you could also say солдат пришел в деревню, or в деревню пришел солдат, and the meaning will not change, only the connotation will change, but I won't talk about it now. Деревню means village. Maybe you know the word деревня, but why did I say деревню instead of деревня? Don't get hung up on it, just remember it as a phrase. Я иду в деревню и подошел к одному дому. Подошел is a very popular verb, and it's a verb that everyone who studies Russian should know. Подошел means approached. Try repeating after me. Подошел. Я подошел к деревне. Он подошел к деревне. We only use that phrase for men. If it was a woman, we'd say подошла, like она подошла к деревне, or я подошла к деревне. К одному дому means just one house. Одному is not the same as one. When we say одному, it means that we don't want to talk about it in details. For example, я подошел к одному врачу, or я подошла к одному дому. It doesn't matter which doctor, what his name is, what he does, and so on. Один can also be said in the same sense, like есть там один доктор, подошел ко мне один парень. Дверь открыла старуха. In Russian, there are different names for grandmothers. It goes back to antiquity. For example, there is a бабушка. It's about kind, sweet grandmother. There is a бабка. It's about the same as in a picture. A little rude and likes to teach everyone. And there is старуха. I think the old woman is a very evil grandmother, literally a witch. Either that or it's just a very old grandmother who is already completely without strength and will soon die. I hope now you know the difference between Russian grandmothers. Попросил ее солдат. Дай мне поесть, пожалуйста. Попросил ее солдат. You know the word солдат, but the word попросил means to make request or get something. In this case, to get food. Дай мне поесть, пожалуйста. it means he is very tired. He doesn't know what he's been doing and he wants the old woman to give him food. And so our epic tale has come to an end for today. Because I don't want to overload you with information. I really want you to know these words that I have learned today, and I've made up some cards just for you. So here is a little quiz. How do you say a soldier was coming back from the war? The correct answer is Солдат возвращался с войны. And how do you say a soldier came to the village? The answer is Пришел солдат в деревню. And the last question, how to say I went to the house? The answer is Я подошел к дому. We've got 10 words here that you need to learn by next period. To do this, I'm going to look these words in different tenses. Now try to repeat after me, because you will learn the words better that way. Солдат. Солдат идет по улице. Солдат отдыхал в палатке. Солдат будет защищать страну. Дом. Этот дом очень старый. Мы жили в большом доме. Они построят новый дом. Дверь. Дверь открыта. Он закрыл дверь. Я открою дверь. Война. Война – это страшно. Война закончилась. Мы надеемся, что войны не будет. Возвращался. Он возвращался с работы. Солдат возвращался с войны. Она будет возвращаться с поездки. Пришел. Он приходит домой. Он пришел вовремя. Он придет завтра. Подошел. Он подходит к двери. Он подошел к старухе. Он подойдет к столу. Старуха. Старуха сидит на лавке. Старуха открыла дверь. Старуха расскажет историю. Попросил. Он просит о помощи. Солдат попросил поесть. Она попросит книгу. Открыла. Она открывает окно. Старуха открыла дверь. Девочка откроет подарок. I've left Anki cards for you below the link. Download them and use them. They contain all the words I've covered in this video. Anki uses spaced repetition method, where cards are shown at different intervals. If a word is easy, it will appear rarely. If it's difficult, it will come up more often. This is most effective way to remember challenging words and phrases. You can learn everything. Just don't stop. Your Russian will get better every day.